Check, this is Charles. Just thought I'd give you a heads up. There's a guy down there, a bad guy, so, yeah. Good luck.
How are you liking it?
Hey, good job there.
Nah, we can't do that. Why not, man? You do realize how much a solid gold cannon would weigh, don't you? Dude, we totally got enough power. What do you think, man? Well, I'm still kinda new here, so I'm not really sure what to say.
Oh, hey, you see that record sign? Where it says records? That'd probably be a good place to look, right? Let me just, help you get across that gap.
Huh?
Alright, here it comes.
You put the card in. Okay, press
I
the
don't think that guy knows how to open the door. Yeah, why don't you just let me take care of this?
Understands this. Yeah. Oh man, I remember this. Good thing nobody knows about this or we'd be in a lot of trouble. Oh, hello Mr. Spider.
Alright, you got some evidence. Oh, wait. There's no way you're getting through there. There's lots of guys and there's lots of guns, that's all I'm gonna say. It looks like you can get around if you go through that air duct. Alright, I've hacked into their power grid. What do you want me to do? Okay, I'll reroute the power to a random room, that's fine. No! Alright, Henry, you're almost there. I'm right outside, so just open the bay doors, and I'll, get you on the chopper.
Hey, what are you doing? Yeah, we got a situation down in the cargo bay.
Psst, hey, there's a button on your earpiece. You should press it.
What's going? This could be a problem.